So over here you can see that I have a bunch of data in Microsoft Project, and if you want you can also create a blank report so that you can add in different charts and graphs as you like onto those report as you like. So to do that, you need to go around onto the report tab right here, and once you go around onto the report tab you can see that new report is an option. So over here you can see that there's some presets that you can choose from, or you can choose blank right here, which allows you to create out your own report. So over here I'm going to go around and say TutorTube right here, which is going to be the name of the report, and you can see that this is blank. So now over here you can go around and add in shapes and everything else as you need. And what you can also do is you can go around over here under report, and here you can see that this is what you have. So you can access out the report right here, but under the report design you can go around and access out different charts. So you can go around, bring in the charts as you like. Let's say for example I'm going to go around, bring in this chart and press OK, and you can see that this is what you have. So you can go around, resize out the chart as you like, and then let's say for example you want to make this, let's say, a budget or only overtime work right here, and you can add in the chart as you like. You can go around over here in chart type right here and change out the chart type as you like as well, and also go around and make changes to this chart as with any other reports. So over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under the report design, and over here if I were to click on chart you can bring in other charts as you like as well. Like you can bring in the combo chart right here and choose, let's say, a different parameter for this. Like you can go around and apply the actual work and so forth right here, and then show this out right here. Similarly you can go around over here onto the report right here and bring in, not under the report but under the report design, you can go under the chart right here and bring in other details as you like right here, like the pie chart as well, just like this, and bring in a 3D pie right here just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and you can see that you can go around and bring these out. But if I were to go around over here, select out this chart, press OK, I can bring in more chart or change that out right there. And you can see that you can actually go around and change this out according to how you like. And in this case, this chart is not working, so I'm just going to go ahead and then delete this out right here, or maybe just go around and change up the chart type and select this out, and you got the report right here with all of the details as you can see, just like this. So this is one way to create a report, and to access out the reports that you created on your own, you can go around onto the report tab and go under custom, and you can see your reports right here. You can also see more reports and see other reports as you can see right here. You can select it out right here and access your report as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to report, and apart from blank reports you can also go around and, let's say for example, add in table reports right here. So I'm just going to go around and say report TutorTube for this particular report and press OK, and you can see that this is what you have right here. You got the table report right here, and you can go around, bring in different data as you like right here. And on top of this you can go ahead and then you can go around onto let's say for example tables as well, bring in more tables as you like as well, and go under report designs and bring in, let's say for example, more chart as well, just like this, and add in details as you like this as well. And that is how you can go around and create out a blank report and then work with it to create visual reports as you like inside of Microsoft Project to track your project progress. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.